Let's bring the picnic indoors, okay? I'm sick of the summer heat here in Texas. We are ready to have blankets and sweaters. I'm wearing mine from Shine. If you want a 25% off coupon, head to my website. A really great idea with these, and I can't wait to show you. Like, I'm super excited. I am just excited to do this look with you. If you haven't subscribed and you love value shopping and looks for less for home, fitness, subscribe now. Our tablecloth is going to be a soft blanket. I found this on Amazon and you can find the link to that on my website, linked below in the description. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna lay out this blanket. We got some chargers from the dollar store. We also got some from Target. The Target collection is the Magnolia collection. I really like it a lot, from Joanna Gaines. What I like about this is it's super natural. It feels like, well, not super natural. It's just natural, very natural. What I like about it is it brings the woodsy outdoors feeling of a picnic indoors. Because there's a lot of wood at the end of the table, what I think I'm going to do is add a touch of gold. Okay, well, kind of basic to start. We're going to take a cheese board that's made of wood and we're gonna use this as a centerpiece. These from the dollar store, they were $1 each and each of the candles were $1. So this was $4 total, it's not bad. Next we're gonna add in some clean white dishes. Eucalyptus is a great find. For our centerpiece, I'm also gonna bring in some eucalyptus leaves. You have to do when you get them, because they're all gonna be kind of facing one way, you're gonna have to kind of plump them up, and once you do that, they look great. You can change the colors up of the flowers and the pumpkins. If you wanted to add some flowers in, you could do that too. Want to go for a walk? You don't want to go for a walk? Let's go. For my napkins, I have two different ideas. I have a gray to bring in all of the gray from our blanket, or you can go with a neutral color napkin. The gray napkins I got from Amazon, and these are linked on my website. I also got these Magnolia napkin rings, and I also got these from Amazon. A really great idea with these, and I can't wait to show you. Like, I'm super excited. All right, let's see how they look. Take that napkin and put it between the table and the charger. Bring your napkin up. So now you have a space here where normally you wouldn't have that because you'd have double napkin in here, right? On its own, it looks beautiful. I have some flowers here from the dollar store. It's that easy. You can put this one on the top, and also beautiful. This also pretty. But this is so versatile, right? And then thanks for watching this week. We'll see you next week. When he loves the blanket more than he loves to walk. Rusty loves this tablecloth.